What's your growth trajectory, and do you have the tools to keep pace? At Intacct, people often ask us how they know when they've outgrown QuickBooks. Frankly, that's not the right question. Let's face it, by the time you outgrow QuickBooks while still using it, the damage is done. You've slowed your growth by creating a bottleneck in your finance department. Missed key reporting indicators that could have helped set you on the best possible course. Failed to take advantage of singular opportunities because the information came too late or not at all. And passed up attracting the right investors because you couldn't provide the kind of up-to-date financial transparency today's investors demand. The question you should be asking is, how do you know when you're going to outgrow QuickBooks? With growth comes the need to get more complex data than QuickBooks is able to readily handle. When using QuickBooks to get at the analysis your growth demands, you have to use spreadsheets to manually mingle and massage financial data with operational information. As you rely more and more on manual processes and spreadsheets to get things done, you slow your financial team to a snail's pace, often taking days or weeks to close financial periods. With Intacct's automation for things like consolidations and revenue recognition, you can move your talented accounting people from managing rows and columns to value-add tasks that drive your growth. And above all, with better automation, you gain control over processes and data to ensure an accurate source of truth should you ever face an audit. Like any organization, you have a course that is best for you. How do you identify the best course with incomplete or out-of-date reports? As you add complexity to your finances, like adding organizational entities or meeting complex billing requirements, you need a system that gives you a complete picture to make the right choice. As the rate of your growth increases, the ability to gather the right data from across your organization and access it in real time pays big dividends. Many opportunities present themselves in a brief window. QuickBooks doesn't readily offer up the information you need to take advantage of those opportunities. Responding to an opportunity often requires a combination of financial and operational reporting that just isn't part of QuickBooks. Robust analysis requires breaking out and comparing your financial data by locations, departments, customers, and vendors, and whatever dimension drives your success. You need to be able to see trends over time and forecast along those trends. In short, you require a level of transactional tracking and reporting insight that allow you to dive into your organization's key metrics. If part of your growth strategy includes attracting the right investors or even going public, you need a level of transparency into your financial health that you can never get with QuickBooks. Investors and auditors don't want numbers muddied by a lot of manual touches in spreadsheets. With Intacct, you have a clear, auditable path from your reports back to the very transactions they're based on. If you believe that you may be on a path to outgrow QuickBooks, take a look at the next few videos. See how Intacct can automate complex processes. Take a look at managing and consolidating multiple entities from a single system. And see how Intacct leads the way in fast and effective reporting from a single source of truth. Move up to Intacct to gain confidence through visibility and control, and start doing accounting at the speed of business.